In this video, I am going to provide you with a few things you might not have ever heard of, including the board stretcher here, which is a fictitious tool. And even though I worked for my dad, he never sent me on one of these adventures, but a couple of other people tried to. And even though I was never sent to look for the mysterious skyhook, I remember carpenters telling stories about the apprentices who fell for this one also. And the most popular one, number one on my list, was sending someone to look for a box of toenails. And for those of you who don't know what a toenail is, that's just simply driving a nail at an angle to connect two boards together. And this is how it usually worked. You would ask the apprentice to go ask the foreman for a box of toenails or the board stretcher. And then the apprentice would go to the foreman, and then the foreman would send them to another carpenter. And then, of course, that carpenter would say, "Hey, I think Hank has it." And then that guy would scratch his head and say, "Hey, I think the last person I saw using it was Don." And then he would send you over to Don. And then pretty soon the apprentice would either figure it out or they would come to someone like me who would tell them what was going on. So if you're an apprentice working on a construction project and someone wants to send you to get a box of toenails or the infamous board stretcher, or somehow needs to lift a beam up and ask you to go get the skyhook, or any of the other things listed in this video, you will now know what you need to look for and exactly how much time you need to spend looking for it. And I can't end the video without asking you to provide us with any stories you might have about any fictitious tools that you had to look for. And keep in mind that this doesn't have to be related only to the construction industry. And again, leave your story or your mysterious tools in the comment area. And keep in mind that even though these are practical jokes and you might now want to play them on someone else, try not to be too cruel. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.